and we are very happy that for the past 10 years, without a break, we have been doing a meeting at the club for every Tuesday from 12:30 to 3:30. And throughout the year, we organize different activities, which are outdoor excursions during the summers, and even in winters, we also try to go outdoors, which is indoor activities, like, visiting some museum or visiting different places which are indoor, which can cater indoor activities for seniors. And during the summers, we have barbecues and picnics. And the rest of the year, there are workshops, seminars, and various educational programs that we run. And of course, the club, which is the Senior Pioneers Club, that is also there for all our South Asian seniors. We have like Indians, we have Punjabis, we have Pakistanis, and we have like people from England. So all of those, they gather together, they've made friends, and they are very happy to be a part of that group. So this organization was established especially to cater the needs of our South Asian seniors so that they do not go into isolation. So I hope that the efforts that we've made, they are fruitful. We have, for the past 1 year, we have almost reached 16 or served 1,600 seniors. So we are very happy. Of course, 1,600 seniors means 1,600 families, and then, so on and so forth. So we have tried to reach as many people as possible, and through this event also, the other sister organizations whom we have invited here, they have also joined us, and we've also attended their events when we were invited with them to their events, and we were very happy to be a part of their activities. For that, I would like to recognize the guests who have joined us today, which are old friend and a constant supporter, MP Peter Fonseca, Chris Fonseca, MPP Sharif Sababi, thank you very much for being here. MPP Khalid Rashid, thank you so much for joining us, taking out from your busy time for being with us here tonight. And of course, it's not just us, it's the whole community, the South Asian community who have come out here tonight to be a part of this event. Now I would request our president, Dr. Macsoom, to please come on the stage and